Morning class, Power Up 18. It's Tuesday, lesson 18. Check to make sure that you have your name on the top of the paper. Power Up C again, our multiplication. Power Up 9 times 6 is 54. 7 times 1 is 7. 9 times 2 is 18. 10 times 10 is 100. 7 times 4 is 28. 6 times 5 is 30. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 4 is 16. 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 7 is 49. 4 times 3 is 12. 8 times 6 is 40. 2 times 2 is 4. 9 times 9 is 81. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 0 is 0. 9 times 7 is 63. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 8 is 64. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 3 is 21. 5 times 5 is 25. 8 times 7 is 56. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 8 is 72. 4 times 2 is 8. 0 times 7 is 7. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 8 times 2 is 16. 6 times 4 is 24. 9 times 3 is 27. 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 4 is 32. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 3 is 15. 7 times 6 is 42. All right, let's take our mental math section here. Remember, show all the work on the left-hand side and answers in the middle. We got 3 times 30 plus 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 30. 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 3 is 9. Now you got to take 9 plus 6, and if you want to stack it up, you can make it look like this. 90 plus 6 is 96. 4 times 20, I'm going to put the 20 on top, times 4, plus 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 2 is 8. So we get 80 plus 12. 0 plus 2 is 2, and 1 plus 8 is 9, 92. We got 30 times 5 plus 4 times 5. And 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 0 is 0, and 5 times 3 is 15. 150 plus 20. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 5 plus 2 is 7, and 170. These are multiple step problems here. It's taking us just a little bit longer, but you guys are doing great. $700 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 0 is 0, and 6 times 7 is 42. $4,200. Don't forget your dollar sign on that one. E says 1 meter is 1,000 millimeters. How many millimeters is 1 meter minus 100 millimeters? They're really asking you on E is 1,000 minus 100. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, and 10 minus 1 is 9. Do I need a label on this one? Yes. Millimeters. And you can abbreviate that with an mm. F. Lalinen. Sometimes if I don't know the word, they just call him Bob. Bob hit the baseball 320 feet. Then the ball rolled 32 feet until it stopped. How far did that baseball run? Reminds me of our reading story last week with gravity and friction. So we got it flying in the air 320 feet, and then it's going to roll another 32 feet, and then friction is going to make it stop. So we're going to add these up. 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 plus 0 is 3, and that would be in feet. 352 feet. G. We got $3.75 minus $1.25. 5 minus 5 is 0, and 7 minus 2 is 5, so we have 50 cents. and 3 minus 1 is $2.50. H. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25, plus 10 is 35, minus 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. All right, all the work, all the answers. Problem solving, problem of the day. 3 something something plus 452 equals, we don't know. Now it says, here's the question though. It says use all the digits 1 through 9. We're going to use all the digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we use 3, 4, 5, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we got a 1 left. We know that the 1 can't go here because 3 plus 4 is not 1. Okay? We could put it here. If we put the 1 here, we could put the 6 here. 1 and 6. That equals 11. Carry 1 more over here. Be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So I use the 1, use the 6, use the 8, 7, and 9. If I put the 7 here, plus 2 equals 9. So this problem is actually guess and check. Guess and check. And so we completed it. We used all the digits one time. All right, lesson 18. We have 4 example problems. And we're going to do some practice problems on it. So divide that one into 6 on the back. You'll need to watch my next video to fill this in to go for your A+.